Hey guys, good morning, good morning. This is a quick video tutorial. Wanted to show you what I stumbled on. I was thinking, I like these outside reversals and knowing how to use the LRT lines to enter and exit trades on certain conditions. Um, and seeing how easy it is to use Bloodhound to flip price around or do whatever I want whenever I want to do it. I'm that kind of girl. So I was playing around with putting momentum on volume the other day and got some really interesting ideas for incorporating certain volume conditions on certain thresholds with the LRT lines indicator, and seeing what I could come up with as far as generating trading strategies with that. So I've been able to do that, and it's super simple with Bloodhound. It's just drag and drop. You get a concept, you get a logic, and you put it together. So I've got these great reversals now using the volume momentum condition. You can extend that out. You get a signal in Bloodhound, a single signal. Let's see. There you go. You get the single signal, but with Bloodhound you can just push it out, forward, time travel it, and then with a few clicks of the mouse, put it together with, like the requirements for that you want with Bloodhound. So, with the Jets LRT lines indicator in Bloodhound, and it doesn't take long to put these concepts together to get, better reversion to the mean instead of taking reversals when the condition doesn't exist at a certain level. So I think this is going to help us tremendously. And so just keep in mind when you're putting volume on your momentum on your volume that the threshold will change as your chart changes. So a 5-minute chart is going to have different thresholds. So be sure to understand that and maybe come up with some different solvers for different charts. So 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute, 3-minute, whatever you would like to get these levels from, because they're going to be different threshold solvers for those. So you could put an OR node together and maybe come up with some different categories onto one solver. We could do that, but generally I think it would be best to separate them. So here's a 15-minute chart. There's more than a way to do this. You can ratio it with other levels. I won't show you exactly what my levels are that I chose, but require volume to be at a certain level with momentum and the linear regression, and that cuts down on a lot of trades, and we're just trying to fine-tune entries. And so I have not incorporated higher time frame trend with this because we're waiting for the newest version of Bloodhound to come out, and that will allow me to go back to the multiple time frames, which I can't wait. So once we get our multiple time frames in, we can even narrow it down more. But for now, I think adding volume to the mix is a good thing to do. And the only way I could corral volume, I don't want to use the relative volume or the better volume. I want to use the momentum volume because I know momentum. And so just putting some trade conditions on it will allow you the flexibility to get what you want. You can also do high volume breakouts, just requiring when that certain volume momentum condition occurs, and then extending it out, of course. And instead of reversing it, you can take the breakout on a lower time frame chart. So those are the day trade breakouts. This was a good run for our time period that we trade between 8 and 10 a.m. Central. Look at that. That was the other day. So volume breakouts potentially, or reversals, and or trends. Reversal, isn't that awesome? Or trend with volume. All right, guys, so it's getting better. We're just waiting to incorporate our trend condition in it, and we're about ready to go. It's getting exciting. So come see us in the trade room, and we will talk to you later. Thank you so much.